ng lahat ng mga kababayan natin, in position or not in position, to treat everyone fairly. Because I think that's being taken for granted for the longest time right now. And sana kumikilos talaga. Alam mo yun, sana kumikilos talaga para mapanagot kung sino. I'm talking about corruption.
Yes.
So sana kumilos talaga yung mga people in power. Huwag nyo kaming i-stall because there's been a lot of stalling. It's been 100 days. And know that we will never get tired of asking what is due to us because we are playing fairly.
Yeah.
We pay our taxes. I mean, all of us. And wag gamitin yung sana na mga tao dyan. Ayoko kasing i-direct. But anyway, mga tao dyan.
Yes.
Wag nilang i-abuse yung position nila because a lot of people is being compromised. And hindi lang to sa individuals, but we're basically taking for granted the security and future of a lot of our marami sa ating mga kabataan. I think yun kasi yung nawawala if funds are not being able to be put in good use. So sana lang fair lang.
So this Christmas wish is not for you.
Yeah, it's
for other people. It's not a selfish
wish. It's not. And yun, sana pakinggan lang talaga. Wag yung kunya-kunyaring pinakikinggan tayo.
Lalo ngayon may parating na bagyo. It's gonna be a really severe tropical storm na I'm sure marami na namang maapektuhan, di ba?
Yeah, hindi pa nga tapos yung bagyong Tino, di ba? Parang what happened in Cebu. Sana lang nakikita nila yon na these are the effects of parang abusing where they are right now and not utilizing the funds for the proper use. Buhay ng tao yung at stake eh. So, isipin naman nila yon and wag puro pansarili. And at the same time, sana lang talaga pakinggan nyo kami. That's what really matters.